Good morning and all present here. This is Saranya, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today, we are going to see one topic called black box testing as well as white box testing. Last class, last video, we saw the overview of software testing. Under software testing, we have different types of testing. In that, we are going to see black box as well as white box. Outline is none other than we are going to see overview of software testing and then types of testing, manual testing, and then we have different types of manual testing. These concepts we are going to cover now. First, let us see what is meant by software testing. The word software testing, the testing means we are going to evaluate the software application which we are going to deliver. Before delivering, we are going to identify whether it meets client requirements or not, and then the main purpose of software testing is to identify whether the particular product has any defects or bugs we have, that we are going to analyze by using testing methodologies. Next, let us see the different types of testing. Usually testing means we have two different types. One is manual testing and another one is automated testing. Under manual testing we have two different way. One is white box testing and another one is black box testing. First of all, let us cover what is meant by manual testing. Manual testing means testing, it is also one kind of software testing process in which test cases are executed manually. So that's what we used to call as a manual testing. Manual testing we have two different types. One is white box and another one is black box. First, let us see what is meant by white box. White box testing. This approach allows testers to inspect the internal structure, infrastructure as well as integration process we are going to analyze with the help of white box testing. Simply we used to call the coding we are going to analyze in clear way with the help of white box testing, whether we design in a qualitative way the coding and all pakka or not, that we are going to analyze by using white box testing techniques. Simply we used to call the internal structure we are going to analyze by using white box testing. White box testing is also called as a glass box testing. Under white box testing, we are going to test, these are the important techniques we are going to analyze under white box testing. One is path testing and another one is loop testing, looping structures, repetitive process, whether it's implemented in correct way or not, that we are going to analyze. And then condition testing, condition the switch case if else, that and all condition basis and all we given in right path or not, that we are going to analyze by using condition testing. And testing based upon the memory's perspective, and then test performance, that also analyze with the help of white box testing. These are the testing techniques we are going to analyze by using white box. Advantages of white box testing is we are going to identify the hidden errors with the help of white box testing, and then easily the test cases of white box can easily automated. That is one major advantage under white box testing. And then with the help of path testing techniques we are going to cover all the path. Disadvantages under white box is none other than too much of time consuming is needed for analyzing the test cases by using white box testing. And then white box testing is much expensive as well as complicated to analyze. And then another important thing is well-versed testers should be well-versed in that particular techie people can able to use white box testing. So that is also sometimes belongs to a disadvantage. Next, let us see black box testing. The black box testing means the testing. It is also one of the testing techniques with no prior knowledge of its internal workings. So external structures we are going to analyze whether any defects are there under external structure of applications, that with the help of black box testing. With the help of black box testing methodologies such as decision table techniques and then boundary value techniques, state transition techniques, these are the techniques we are going to use in order to check over the defects under external structure of application. And then error guessing techniques, use case techniques. So these are the important techniques to analyze the external structure quality. The main purpose of black box testing is to analyze the feature as well as performance of that particular application. So advantages of black box testing is it's more efficient for using under large system, and then the tester no need any technical knowledge. Non-technical person also can test over the black box testing. And disadvantages under black box testing is test cases are challenging to design without having any clear functionalities, clear functional specifications. And then difficult to identify the tricky inputs if the test case are not developed based on the specification. Specification plays a major role under black box testing. Let us see the difference between white box testing as well as black box testing. The code remains visible to the testers, but under black box, the code remains hidden from the testers. The structural testing, the white box testing is commonly called as in structural testing. Black box testing is commonly called as in functional testing. Here, white box we used to call clear box testing. Black box is closed box testing, closed testing. And then low level testing techniques are used under white box. Black box we are going to use high level testing techniques like system as well as acceptance testing we are going to use under black box. Under white box we are going to use unit testing as well as integration testing. Generally white box is done by developers. Black box testing is test over with the help of quality assurance engineers. And then here in under white box we are going to test over the logic as well as implementation of software. Here we are going to test over under black box we are going to test over the functionalities of the software. So white box we are in need of technical persons, but in order to test over black box we no need any technical knowledge. Non-technical person also can test over the black box testing. If you have any queries, please comment me. Thank you. Have a nice day.